Hey there folks, today bringing you a small snap-on tool haul. Well, it's only a few items, but it's probably the most expensive tool haul I've had yet so far. This past, I don't know, 3 weeks or so, I picked these up. So to start off, I got this 1/4-inch drive snap-on flex head ratchet. It's I believe it's 14 inches wide or 12 inches wide. I can't remember exactly. Super nice. Really nice to get in those tight spaces. It's long enough, you get around no problem with the flex head. Pretty good. So this is actually my first snap-on ratchet. So other than that, I've been using Matco ones. So pretty nice to have and use. Next up, I got a sweet deal from my snap-on dealer on a 4-piece of adjustable wrenches. I only brought home 2 because I didn't feel like it was that big of a deal to bring home all 4. But these are like just awesome. I love how that, I don't know, my other ones that I had, they just seem like you literally just set them down and they would shift sizes too much to where it wouldn't even matter anymore. It wasn't even like I was hitting them on nothing, and they would just do that. But these snap-on ones are great. I've used them a little bit here, and I just picked them up last week, so a little bit of use that I have on them. They've been just fantastic. It's nice and firm, and just feels really good in the hands. These ones are actually made in Spain, so that's kind of interesting for a snap-on hand tool. But they're really nice. The comfort grip is awesome on these, and I've really been enjoying them. But a little close-up of this one. Sorry, there's a part number for, I believe that is just this one. It's not for all 4. So there's that ratchet. Next thing is kind of this was the most expensive thing. Got a good deal on it, but it definitely wasn't cheap. So it was the long reach 3/8 electric ratchet with the mid-length swivel sockets. This is my old charger, but it came with a new one and 2 batteries. So I was really looking forward to getting this long reach ratchet for quite a while, and I just happened to be on the truck, and I'm sure my dealer had it set up right to where I just happened to see that, and I had to pick it up. So it's got good torque on it. I'm going from the first Milwaukee regular sized 3/8, the non-feel one. So I use this once so far, because I just basically brought it out on Friday, and it worked pretty good. So I'm excited to see what it can really do, as far as just taking off bolts, going from that, old ratchet, that Milwaukee one that I had. It still works great. I just wanted a long reach, and I figured I like the snap-on one with the thinner head than the Milwaukee, so I was like, that's why I decided to go that route. Plus, for the deal I got on it, was great. And then these are my first set of swivel sockets, actually. I mean, I've used some, like my coworkers and stuff around the shop, and I knew how good swivel sockets are, but these are sweet. These are good quality. I used the 18, and I want to say the 15 so far. These, I think I said it already, but mid-length, freaking awesome. And there's the only thing I was always questioning about Snap-on is that some of their stuff is kind of hard to read, like on their sockets, but it's still like, if you're grabbing it from a distance, but over time, you get used to that, and you get better fitted with the sockets and know which one's which. Plus, these blow molded trays say pretty good on here what it is. Here is the part number for it. And yeah, so I'm really happy with this and can't wait to use it some more. I'll probably have a review on this here in, I don't know, a month or 2. See how long, I don't like to do it, just use it once on a job and be like, that's awesome. I'd rather wait a little while and then do a review on it, make sure it's actually, a pretty decent product for the most part. So yeah, but that's a little overview for y'all. The ratchet, 4-piece set of these, swivel sockets, electric ratchet, 2 batteries, charger. So that's about it for this small tool haul. I know it's not much, but I figured get something out to you guys. I'm debating on maybe, instead of having a tool haul, it seems like I have one every other week, maybe having them once a month and just doing everything that I pick up. So I just ordered up some magnetic sonic sockets off of Amazon, so I'll be getting those in and stuff like that. So maybe I'll do like a tool haul in like a month or so when I have quite a bit of things rather than just these little things, because I tend to like to show a lot. I'm not really usually a huge fan of just having these small group of things here, but figured I'd show y'all. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and yeah, catch you later.